Okay, so we're having problems with the cursor issue with this alien attack game. If we go to insert new object under interface, you'll notice there is no cursor in the free version. So here's a workaround. This is a file that one of you sent in that I'm using to edit to create this. And you have to forgive me, there's going to be a couple little glitchy bits. This screen recording software I'm using causes some problems with the game design software. Okay, so I've taken my crosshair, I've put it into the kind of area of our frame here. And now what we're going to do with it selected is go to the movement tab and go from static to mouse controlled. Okay, now if I just go ahead and run this, it's going to have the cursor stuck in this tiny little box area, which is no good. So I'm going to go to edit, and then you can see this comes up, and I'm going to stretch this out. I don't want it to go so high that it can reach the ship, so I'm just going to put it down here and have it fill this kind of area here. Okay, now I'm going to hit OK. Now if I were to test this, the game's going to basically just be stuck and locked. So what I'm going to do is go to my event editor. You don't need to do this step if you end up completing everything else in the tutorials for creating this game. This will be unnecessary, but I'm just going to show you this real quick. So we'll go to the mouse, or sorry, the keyboard. Upon pressing a key, I'm going to press Q, and then I'm going to go to my storyboard controls, and I'm going to go in the application. Okay, that way I can just stop whenever I want while we're testing this. So I'm going to go to F8. I'm going to click. Okay, and now you can see my cursor moves around all in this whole area here. Now I'll push Q. I push Q and it stops. Okay, so now at this point, the cursor is not doing anything, right? It's just sort of floating around. If we click on the cursor now, actually, I'm sorry, go back into the event editor. We're going to do new condition on our crosshairs, or sort of like our cursor. Collision with another object, the alien. We'll hit OK. I'm going to right click on the alien down here and go to destroy. Okay, now I haven't set this up to tabulate score or anything else in the game. This is really just our sort of quick and dirty fix for this problem. So now if we go back into the game, I'm going to enter the game. And you can see, upon collisions with the aliens, anytime it collides with the aliens, it destroys them. It's not as good as what we were trying to do with or what we could do with the cursor object with the full version, where when you click, it will actually shoot and be able to kill the aliens. But I think this is about the best we could do with the free version. So go ahead and do that. Make sure you set up everything else so that the score is calculating properly and all of that. Okay? Thanks for watching.